Want to create this 3D glossy resin effect? You can print it directly with a UV printer. Let's go through the entire process. Step 1. Cut the material to the required size. Peel off the protective film on the surface. Lay the base film flat on the printing platform, making sure there are no air bubbles. Start printing the color design. Apply the varnish layer by layer. The 3D effect gradually appears. After printing, cover with a layer of B film and press it firmly. Place it in a heat press with top and bottom heating. Peel off the A film and press the design firmly onto the t-shirt. Remove the B film. Use B film again to remove any remaining adhesive. Cover the surface with a film for heat insulation and press for 10 to 15 seconds to secure the design. The surface is smooth and glossy, with a clear 3D effect and finer details. Using the Sublistar 6090 UV flatbed printer, the entire process runs smoothly. Follow us for more hands-on tutorials.